everyone. First off, I wanted to welcome you to Independence University. So this is your first mod, and I thought it would be good to go into Canvas and poke around and see how you can navigate around to find your classes, find your inbox, get to Zoom to watch your live sessions, and get over into Microsoft Office. So let's start by first selecting the Canvas app on the tablet. Now you'll notice that my tablet looks a little bit different than yours. I do not have one of the school assigned tablets, so I'm trying to make this video using my iPad. I'm going to click on the first icon on the top left. It kind of looks like a circle with some other circles. It has the 19 in there. That actually shows me that I must have 19 messages that I need to check out today. So let's select that, and it's going to open up Canvas. Now, when you first get into Canvas, you're going to be in the dashboard. So that's kind of like the home page for Canvas. But you'll notice on the left side over here, where I'm scrolling up and down, those will be all of your classes. Now, because I am an associate dean here, I have a lot more classes showing up on mine than you would. But the one that we want to focus on is that APP 110 down at the bottom. So let's click on that course, and it's going to open up the course page here. Now we're right on the home page, and you'll see in the sidebar you have some announcements where you can get to your announcements, where you can get to your grades, where you can change some of your settings. But if you want to see everything in the home page, up at the top on the right there are two arrows. So I'm going to just expand the home page so we can take a look at the actual course. And let's see, the first thing that we need to do is we need to click on this banner that says click this banner for more info to complete this course. There are things you need to prepare in advance. So this course cannot be completed on a smartphone. You want to make sure to click on the announcements button several times a week, because that's where we are able to communicate with you. So we don't see you in a physical classroom. So the way we communicate with you is through the announcements. So you're going to want to make sure that you are reading them so you know what is going on in the class. If you're having any trouble with your tablets or completing any of the tasks in Canvas, putting Microsoft Office on, or getting it set up on your tablet, you're going to want to call IT student support so they can help you troubleshoot. Their phone number is 866 888 3768, and it's located right here on it inside of the welcome. If you don't have your tablet or you don't know your Microsoft Office credentials, then you are going to need to speak with the IU helpline. So you can either call or email them, and I'm just going to highlight that on the screen for you. So make sure to get in touch with someone as soon as possible if you're running into any problems. There's going to be 3 videos that show you about laptop preparation, unpacking your tablet, how to get to Zoom, and what to do if your tablet is not connected to the internet. And you can watch those videos on your own. I just wanted to get in and just kind of show you around. So once you are inside of the course, one of the things that you are going to need to do every single day is take your daily checkpoint. So your daily checkpoint is you can see that there's a box up here that says daily checkpoint. This tells you a little bit about it, but where you are going to go in to take the daily checkpoint, it will actually show up in your to-do list each day. It'll also show up directly on the dashboard as well if you have not taken it. So because I am technically not really a student in the class, it's not showing it the same exact way, but it will show up in your to-do each day. Oh, wait a minute, I might have one in here. No, that's an assessment. Also, you are going to, again, want to go in and read each of the announcements. You can see how many times that we try to get in touch with you throughout the week. And the reason why is, we want to make sure that you have all the tools that you need to successfully complete your class. Another place you are going to want to go is if you see that you have a red bubble with some number in it, that means that you do have messages in your inbox. Those messages could be coming from your course instructor, maybe your student services advisor, your faculty program advisor, or someone else from the school, maybe even a lab instructor or an associate dean who wants to share some information with you. So again, make sure that you are reading your messages every day. Now, to get into the live session for the course, right on the homepage, there is a box. It's now at the top left, and it says Zoom live session. All of the live sessions run through Zoom. It's another application that runs outside of Canvas. And it's a really, really cool application. It allows the instructors to share their screen and record. I'm actually recording this right through Zoom right now. And it will also allow instructors to see your screen if you need to share your screen, if you have any questions, or if you just want to share your work. So let's click on the live sessions and recording. Now, each week, there will be an instructor that hosts a live session, and you can go to your instructor's specific live session, or you can go to any of the live sessions that you see on the calendar here. Now, I do want to note that multiple live sessions currently are only running this way in APP 110 and APP 112. So when you get into your next course, CSS 105, you'll just have the one live session each week with your course instructor. So I just do want to point that out. You can access the tutors in the Student Success Center anytime by clicking on this link here, or you can scroll down to go directly into the live session if there is a live session being held at that time. So I'm going to click, both of these links are going to prompt you to go into Zoom. And if you don't have Zoom downloaded on your tablet, it will prompt you to do that as well. I currently have Zoom downloaded on my tablet, so I can show you the app is right here, and it would open up Zoom and it would bring me directly into the meeting. Now, if you want to get in with an instructor at a certain time and you have their personal meeting ID, again, they may share that with you if you have a specific tutoring time. You could click to then join and you would put the meeting ID in. But if you are going to go in, to access the Student Success Center, you would just click. And again, that's going to redirect you to Shark. And once you are in Shark, you can click to enter the Student Success Center. And again, that would then have you join via Zoom. And it does it automatically. I'm just going to leave so that way I don't mess up my recording here. And going back in, again, you can see that this now runs through your browser, Shark. But what you were directed there directly from Canvas. So let's get out of the live session tab for a second, back over into our home page for the course. So this is our home page for the course. And we can see, if we're looking for some information, we need to get in touch with our instructor. So we can see our instructor's name, their email, and their phone number, and a little write-up about them as well. So it's nice to know a little bit about your instructor to see that they're a real person behind this, behind the screen. Again, right from the homepage in the course, you can also access the Student Success Center that way. So this brings me right back to the same tab I was in. You can also access the library and the help desk. If you need to see more about the readings and videos for the course, you can access that tab right from the home screen. So you can see that there's some links to some readings. There are some lesson videos in here for each week. Again, you're going to want to make sure to go into your course each week, look over your readings and videos, and see what it is that you need to do. Once you either attend the live session live, watch the recording of the live session, or and do the readings and videos for the week, then you can scroll down to see what your assignments are for that week. So for each week, you will notice that you have two separate discussions, an assignment and assessment, and a live lecture quiz. So let's just look at week 1 right now. So in week 1, we have different learning objectives for this week. We're going to be discussing the importance of computer skills, creating a file management system, demonstrating, how to use Microsoft Office, and demonstrating the different user interfaces. So it's good to know what it is that you're going to be doing each week. And as I said, there are 2 different discussion boards. The reason why is these courses are 5 credit hours. The old courses used to be 3 credit hours, which meant that you had to take 2 courses a mod. Now you only need to take 1 course a mod, which is a lot easier. But in order to add to the credits, we needed to add in that extra discussion post each week. So your discussion post, your original post where you talk about the topic, that is due Wednesday by midnight. And then by Sunday night of each week, you are going to want to go in and respond to 2 of your fellow students in the post and, just kind of comment, expand on the discussion. And again, that's for both of the discussions. So both of your original posts will be due Wednesday at midnight, and the follow-up post to your fellow students in both of the discussions will be due Sunday. You also will have an assignment and an assessment each week. That is also due Sunday by midnight. So again, deadlines are key in this course in order for you to fulfill your commitment and maintain your course enrollment. And it's a really good way to understand a deadline because you are going into graphic or web design, and graphic and web design are both industries that are heavily deadline oriented. So it's important to get used to a deadline now. And again, everything that needs to be found can be found right in Canvas. It's really the main area that you are going to be in when you are a student here. Again, you're going to want to make sure that you navigate past that dashboard each day and get into your specific course so that way you know what is going on. But you can still check out the different things going on in the dashboard. If there are little events going on, you'll see them in the dashboard. So it's great to be able to get in there and see what's going on with the school while also taking part in your classes. I hope that you found this video to be very helpful and to get you started in your course. So while you're in here, if you've been checking things out, make sure that you go in and do your daily checkpoint if you haven't done that yet today. Have a great mod and congratulations on the first step towards getting your degree.